Hey everyone, my name's Aaron. I'm from Jim's Antennas Montrose and I'm your local antennas expert. I've been in Jim's Antennas for almost 8 years now. I came from an industry of agriculture and I was looking to do something totally different. Not just that, I wanted to run my own business. I was sick of running a business for someone else. So I bought my franchise 8 years ago and really I've never looked back. I'm local to Montrose, that's in Victoria. I work the whole of the eastern suburbs generally. I'm married, I have 3 kids. 2 dogs. I'm a Montrose boy. I've lived in Montrose for pretty much 40 years. Love the suburb, love the place. It's a great suburb, it's nice and quiet. It's on the edge of the rural side of Melbourne, but the beautiful side of it is I'm 20 minutes to anywhere. So I'm 20 minutes to the eastern suburbs, 20 minutes to jobs. That keeps me nice and local. Not just that, it gives me the ability then, I can pencil in my own work, my own start times, my own finish times. I love to drop my kids to school and pick them up as much as I can during the weeks when I can, when I'm not too busy. So again, great family time as well, and that's what the Jim's business probably gives me as well. So if you have any issues, any dramas, any problems with TV reception, be it Wi-Fi solutions, CCTV security side of things, don't hesitate to give us a call on 131546 or check out our website, jimsantennas.com.au.